Have you ever had a friend that seems to be able to mindlessly eat whatever they want and not gain a pound? Well, this could be related to the composition of bacteria that they have in their gut. That's right, there is an invisible war of bacteria in your gut that could be sabotaging your weight loss efforts. That is right. In spite of your effort to eat well, exercise, and make changes, there is bacteria that is fighting for its own survival that can alter the way your body responds to food. We have identified two main families of bacteria, the bacteroids and the firmicutes. And individuals that have more bacteroids are able to lose weight more easily and also stay slim. In contrast, the firmicutes, or the people that have more firmicutes, actually cause you to store more calories as fat, regardless of where those calories might come from. Hi, I'm Bonnie London. And after nearly 30 years, both as a personal trainer and then as a registered dietitian, it is my goal to provide with you the latest tricks to help you achieve your personal weight or health goals. Now, in today's video, I am going to explain to you how bacteria might be controlling your weight and what you can do about it. Blame it on bacteria? Does this sound a little far-fetched? Okay, well, guess what? They actually have done research that involved transplanting fecal material. Yep, I'm talking about poop here, which is mostly bacteria after all, from an obese rat, transplanting it into the colon of a normal weight rat. And guess what? They discovered that it caused the rat to gain enormous or significant amounts of weight even when the diet remained unchanged. Again, certain bacteria, the firmicutes, could be responsible because of their ability to extract and store more calories from whatever is eaten. In addition, just think about, the meat industry, and where they have known for years that giving antibiotics will increase weight and make the animals fatter. If the change in how your body utilizes calories is not enough, consider that these bacteria are actually powerful enough to drive your behavior, even if it's against your own good. Have you ever noticed that once you start eating certain foods, that you are driven to continually to eat them? Again, this is about survival. And these bacteria, believe it or not, travel through something called the vagus nerve to our brain and actually communicate to us and say, we need to eat more of the food that are going to feed us. This is crazy. And guess what these harmful bacteria feed on? Sugar, and of course foods that break down quickly to sugar, like, bread, pasta, cake, and crackers. So you might ask yourself, who's really in charge here? How can you take back control and arm yourself against the firmicutes while supporting the bacteroides? So here are my top suggestion and action steps that you can start implementing today. Number one, starve out the firmicutes while feeding those bacteroides. Specifically, eliminate their food supply, such as highly processed carbohydrates. We're talking sugar, bread, cookies, and certainly donuts that would represent a combination of those dangerous fats and carbs at the same time. Consuming plenty of prebiotic fiber, such as artichokes, leeks, onions and garlic, which are my favorite, asparagus, spinach, beans, even green bananas. Number two, Be sure to get more omega-3 fatty acids while decreasing your intake of omega-6 fatty acids, as this has also been associated with improving the bacterial ratio in the gut. So eat more wild fish, grass-fed meats, walnuts, chia seeds, and definitely try to eliminate sources of omega-6, such as highly processed foods with soybean oil or even poultry, by the way. And limit the use of antibiotics yourself, and in addition to that, consuming animals that are taking them. Also, artificial sweeteners such as sucralose that also we know now alter the bacteria in the gut. And then be sure to include a variety of fermented foods such as sauerkraut, apple cider vinegar, kefir, kimchi. Certainly there are other lifestyle habits such as fasting, exercise that can also help with this battle. But more importantly, I really would like you to sit down at your next meal, and I want you to consider that you're not the only one who is eating, but you can decide which team of bacteria you're gonna wanna feed. So if you have liked this video, or if you found it helpful, please share, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can be notified of each new video. And of course, if you would like to discuss your personal situation, there is a link in the description below to book a call, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.